Hey, Matt the Momo Hunter with McGee Farms. I've done a couple videos on these Best Way Vevor pallet forks that go on the front of your bucket. Had them for a couple of months now, about 3-4 months. Used them a little bit. They've been handy and they've been a pain in the ass both. And I figure since I've used them for a little bit, give a little bit of kind of how they've held up for me so far. To start out with, they clamp down to the bucket, and from clamping down, they actually have made a little bit of an indention in the bucket, which I'm not overly happy about. I have used them for not a whole lot. We've got large round bales. I've been using them to take the bales in for the horses and the goats. I've got a couple of IBC totes that I made some animal housing and I'm going to do some other projects with. I used them to move those around. Used them for logs. We've got an area that just right over here that we're cleaning out and actually going to make a little campgrounds cabin area. So I've been using it to remove the logs, get under there, and the forks that we had, so I went to remove these two logs right here, not really that big of logs, and in the process, this is what happened. They just completely broke, bent, welds kind of snapped a little bit. So was not happy. I mean, I'd had them at that point maybe about a month, and contacted the company. I got them off of Amazon. Best Way is the company. It says they're a Best Way brand, but then it also in the picture shows Vevor. So like I said, I'm not sure which one they are. And went back and forth with them. Oh, it even says Vevor on the, right there. So I went back and forth with the company, and their first response is take it to our service place. Well, they're in China. I bought them on Amazon, so I'm probably not going to be able to go to their service place, and I told them that. And about a day or two passed, and I got another message from them and was really surprised. They said, we're sending you another set out. Don't worry about sending us the others back. So I have another set now. So I will say that for the company, they were a little bit of a pain to deal with at first, but they did send me out another set when the other ones weren't working. So, you know, happy about that. You know, sometimes you get some good customer service, sometimes you don't with Amazon and eBay and buying from some of those. But, you know, they did do that. I've used this for moving a few things around. I'm tearing up the old garden right now and building a new raised bed garden. So I'm moving some railroad ties that are on the ground, and I've kind of used them to get under them, to pick them up and move them, and it's actually worked really good for that as well. So, but anyway, just wanted to kind of give a quick update after using them for a couple of months. 99 bucks, you know, they're cheap enough for light work around the house, around the farm. You know, they work good. If you're going to do any heavy work, I wouldn't go with them. One, they're going to tear up your bucket. And two, there's better options out there that you can get. So it's Matt the Momo Hunter with McGee Farms. If you enjoy the video, if it helped you make a decision on buying these, please consider subscribing to our channel. Maybe give us a like, leave a comment, share it with your friends. It's always appreciated. It helps out the channel. If you got any questions about these, my email address is on the page under the About section. Always happy to talk to, you know, any viewers as well. Other than that, have a great day.